Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's style is actually really good for like an old silk press or like dirty hair. You just want something to tie you over until your next style. I thought this style was so cute, so of course I had to share it with you all. I saw it on TikTok and my hair is actually an old silk press, so like I said, perfect for something like that. Yeah, so it's like the two little braids in the front and then two braids in the back. Of course you saw it in the thumbnail, but yeah, this hairstyle is super easy and it just gives like the two braid style, which I already love, but it gives it a little bit of spice. So very nice, perfect for the summertime, minimal heat. I am using heat in this style, but I really feel like you don't have to, especially since there's braids in the front. You don't have to like press your edges out again like I did. You really could just, you know, use like gel or jam, whatever, but I used beeswax for this style and edge control. I'm still looking for the best edge control, guys. I have not found it just yet, but I'm using beeswax and edge control and then a little bit of spritz in the end, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this style. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video.
Sat down, made an agreement, we vowed that we'd always be together, do whatever back, tick tock, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over? Can we straighten it out, can we work it out? 'Cause I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be, I don't wanna live, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be alone. Do you realize I can't sleep without you, think without you, eat without you, speak without you, be without you. I can't even breathe without you. I can't feel without